Video, I want to show you how you can use the template background pack, and you can use this with the templates that I've gifted you, or you can use it with any of the pre-existing pages or funnels, right? So I'm just going to give you an example of what that will look like, and we're just going to select this landing page. Once you click on the landing page, so you notice here there is a photo background. You can go to background, click choose image, and any image you've uploaded from your funnel pack, you can upload it. So let's just say I select one. Notice it changed. Now you may say, I can't really see that. That's cool. What you can do is click on color, because there's a color overlaying the background picture. You can make the opacity as much or as little as you like, or you can completely take the opaque color away. And as you see, I took the opaque color away. You fully see the background that I uploaded. I'm going to pull a different type of site in, and I'm going to open the editor again, go to funnels, right? We're just going to go back to this one. We're going to add a single page. This one right here doesn't have, it's mostly a white background. So if we want to change that, we can. So let's just open this up, right? This is a navigation bar. So we want to go to the block. If we wanted to change that, if we don't, if we want to leave that as is, we'll go to the block for this, and we can go to background, choose image, and we can upload any image that we like, right? And again, you can make it parallax, right? So you can make it to where it moves when the page moves. You can, I hope you can see that, even though this is a blurred image, when you put parallax on it, it still will move, right? So you can do that literally with any element. You can make the background, right? Let's say you want to do every other. You want to do every other with that background. You can go here, choose image, choose that background, make it parallax, and you can just add some variety to any of the free templates. Again, I'm just going to keep with the theme that we have going. We're just doing every other block. And the way you know it's a different block is you have block selected. This is a block right here, and this is a block right here. So we're going to do the every other block. We're going to change the background to an image, a parallax image. So we're just going to do a preview. So as you see how that works. So you could continue to do that all the way down the template, right? And if there's any blocks on this template that you're not using, you can simply remove it, right? You just select the block, click delete. I hope that makes sense. If you're using the background template pack, you can apply that to any pre-made template